Oh, hello everybody. Good morning. What is going on? I was muted for a second there. How is everybody? How's the day? All right. I see we have a push already. Wow, what a move. All right, Paul, hey there. Kenchua, hello. Green and Victor is here. Zacromancer, hello. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds of mute. Good morning, Kirk. Hey, it's good to see you. How's it going? All right, so just before the market opened, the price decided to skyrocket here. Wow, what a move. What a move. Definitely interesting. We have market open in about 13 seconds. So let's see how's it gonna go. All right, here we go. Market is open. Wow, what a push here immediately. Technically, we closed the, repriced the gap here. Gold bouncing higher a little bit. Not sure about the rest. NQ pushing higher as well. I wonder how far it wants to push. There is another zone up there. It's not a strong one, but it's definitely an interesting level. Open of this candle is 99.75. Is this because of the pre-CPI news, or I don't know? Order block right there. So it seems like we might go to 23K. Who knows? It seems like we're going there. Oh, wow. Look at this push, man. Skyrocketing. Jesus. Wow. It's just going. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I wonder how far. We're back to 54. Was there some kind of a news event, I wonder? Some Nvidia news or anything hitting the market? Back to 42. There was a Fed comment there. I don't see an imminent need to cut rates. Oh, so that was the thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there's a 15-minute level up there. So only one Fed comment. Short at 290. Oh my, you got it right there. What if this one still wants to go higher? I wonder. Okay, gold is down there. I wonder if this one's trying to make a move to the 60s again or higher. Just not sure about it, to be honest. Oh, there she goes. It's moving again. Or are we stuck here? We're pretty much stuck here for now. Hey Navab, how's it going? Yeah, I don't want to short yet. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait for sure. Oh, here's my calculator. I need to calculate some risk here. All right. I'm doing good, Navab. Yeah. Hope all is good on your end. Pretty much an interesting start of the day. I mean, I couldn't really make anything of this push here. I mean, yeah, there was the new week opening gap. We all see that, but otherwise, this was pretty interesting. Wow, and now we're going back down. 40 points. No position on my end. Nothing. Not even a scalp. Almost looks like a good area to short here on this fair value gap, but What a move. What a move. And it's moving higher. There's a 15-minute order block there. 15-minute order block at 99.75. I think that could be the drawn liquidity, to be honest. And what news do we have? Okay, nothing. No news. Are we gonna go sideways here? Kind of wondering. Still no entry. Let's look for some zones again. Nothing down there. The only target I see is up there. And it's gonna be that one. Uh, 15 minutes. Supply zone. All right. Right there. Okay, let's give it a different color. And so far, that's it. My game plan, if it would go up there, maybe this one that it picked up liquidity on the 5-minute here. It basically shifted structure. It's a good continuation. I might take a long position on this one, but it's too late already. Which account? All right. That would be 99. Let's go 98. I took a long position with 1 micro, targeting that zone up there. If we're not going there, it's fine. Only 1 micro. I'm willing to add 1 more down here above 900 if it goes. But this time, well, I'm gonna be cautious. I'm only looking for a few bucks here and there. Okay. Going down. Ready to add 1 more micro, or maybe not, because it's going down a little bit too fast here. Let's wait for it. It's 920. Oh man, I don't like it. I don't like it. I need to add maybe 1 more micro and that is it. Okay, 1 more micro added. And that's it so far. 920, okay. Entries are right. Darn it, I think I have to close it. Yeah. I don't like this move. I was a little bit too overconfident on this. Yeah, I jumped into a long but almost stopped out. I'm gonna get stopped out, unfortunately. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out. Got stopped out. I got stopped out, unfortunately. It is what it is. Only 2 micros, manageable. Let's see, what do we have here? Maybe it wants to go down into that low, which already did. Or is it? Did it go down to 61? It should be bursting through that level. That's a 7 a.m. low. Yeah, it's going through. Okay. So next level. Previous day low, maybe down to 54. Don't chase it. It's dangerous. It is dangerous. I don't know what the heck is going on, but it does seem like it's not willing to go. the 1 minute has no retracement higher, which is interesting. Gold is still retracing. Yeah, that is it. Open 36, level 36.50. A little bit it feels like that it might want to go lower. Like below the 50s or something. Wasn't really sure. So I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, it's just going down. All right. Since 9:59. Oh my god. Beautiful. Green, that's a beautiful catch there. How did you do that? I have nothing. I have absolutely nothing here. I'm just waiting for a pullback. Hey, Muhammad. Good, thank you. I feel like I missed a possible scalp up there, but nothing special. I had, unfortunately, a stop with a small position. I was trying to go long for that zone, but the plan seems like didn't work. And now I'm kind of wondering how this one's gonna go. This was a very interesting move, to say the least. Okay, back to the fair value gap now. Whoa, look at this. Still pushing. Exited your shorts. 1K with 5 micros. Green. What? That is wow. Now that's how you print money super fast, I guess. This is just wow. Was this a big liquidity sweep here? And now we're just going back up there. Kind of crazy, right? Which one was the first fair value gap? Up here, right? That's the first fair value gap. I know everybody loves it. So technically, let's put this here. Are we gonna go back up there? A bit tempted to try it out, right? I enter to a long position right here at 19 to see if it's good for a scalp. Not sure. We technically inverted this gap. And we'll see. My TP is at 36.75. Still not pushing back up there. Okay, I might have been a little bit too aggressive on this scalp. May have to close it down. In the macro, nothing's happening. Still holding the trade. 36.75 is my final TP before the first fair value gap. Still in the trade. Didn't go up there yet. Come on. Aiming for that first fair value gap. It's not going. It's not going. Let's go, green. That's a good job. That is an excellent job. Oh man, it's not gonna make it. Might have to close it down. Yeah, thought so. Okay, picked up some liquidity from this gap here. Almost, it was almost at my TP level. But what can I do? I'm still in it. Finger is on the flat button. In the green. Fear is killing me, yeah. Nvidia dumping, oh. So that's what makes it harder. Come on, just push it up there. Go to the first fair value gap. Come on, what's so difficult in that? All right, I just can't. I had to close it. I don't feel it. I'm very bad in scalping. I don't care. It was a scalp. I had to close it. Maybe it's not gonna go there after all. Who knows? But I don't like to hold the scalp position without a real shot to go too high, and it's better to close it. So what's with Nvidia? Oh yeah, what a dump here. Tesla, wow, what happened? What's happening with Tesla here? ES going higher. Wow. Okay. ES might want to reach a little bit more higher. Now it's going. Look at that. This was my TP right there, I think. Almost. No, it didn't. No, it did. Okay. To the tick. Well, anyway, it's better to be out. No trade. Still waiting for gold as well. To be honest, I'm kind of waiting for gold to push one more leg down. Why? Because I checked this out many times, and here is a nice little liquidity void on gold, and I do like it. I like that level. About 350. Okay, so I might gonna take a trade on gold. We'll see. If I take a trade on gold, I'll let you guys know. $368 on 3 accounts. Let's go. That is the way to do it. Congratulations, man. That is the way to do it. I'm kind of hoping for a possible short on gold. Where's this gonna go? Okay, 3 micros. I'm kind of probably watching for it. Today's status busted on one challenge and passed one. Hey, that's good. 50-50 ratio. That is excellent. Still kind of waiting here, to be honest. Let's see. I'm willing to take a short on gold. Maybe it's not the best idea, I know. Only a small position. How about that? Very small one. Let's do it. Took the short on gold. Not here, not here. Yeah. We'll see. NQ slowly pushing up there. Okay, so far the gold trade is here. Nothing special. Kind of like a 1-to-1 deviation. One more push to the downside is what I'm looking for. Actually, you know what? I closed it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I closed it. I'm flat. I know, I'm crazy. I have to sit back. I just don't feel it. Okay, I'm flat. Flat, closed it. A little bit of a green. No orders, no positions. I'm flat. Don't like the way it moves. Oops. All right. Here's the gold signal officially, which I'm exited. And I still have no idea about this price action. I have no entry. There is no market structure shift here that I like. No zone on the downside that I like. I just want this to go higher, to be honest. Go up to 37 or even higher. That would be great. Let's see if it goes. $237. It doesn't feel like right now that it wants to. Let's see. Still not doing it. Wow, what a level here. Just hovering. The 1 minute actually stopped here. Doesn't really want to push it. No actual sign of a push. Still just hovering here. Doesn't want to go into the fair value gap, so you know, the thing is that we're already in the silver bullet hour and it's just not moving. I don't know why. Okay, now it did. Did it go there? I hope it did. Yeah, exactly. We need to go through that. Ah. Oh man, what to do? No entry, and so you see, that's why I wasn't sure if I should take the gold trade. I just wasn't sure to take it or leave it. I guess there is a good target on gold if it wants to reprice that level lower. How about if I take the trade on a different account? No. Anyway, NQ finally went into the first fair value gap, which is awesome. And now, still watching that level. No, I'm not in a long. No. I'm not even in a short. No position here. No scalp, nothing. Nothing. There's one thing I'm doing on one of my Apex evals. I'm trying to short gold, but only on an Apex evaluation. I'm flat on my funded accounts. I have a gold short, but only on an Apex evaluation account. So basically for just passing the account, nothing else. But no official trade and nothing on my funded accounts. It's just hard to predict here. I wish I have some game plan for this, but the market is just not doing what it's supposed to do. Maybe I'll try to look for a long position on NQ. I just want to see if there's going to be a liquidity sweep here and then breaking higher. Not really sure. Long one micro. Let's go. Looking for shorts. I don't know why. I just don't like the short idea. I like to see this one go higher. We were so close to that 23k. I think it might just want to go there. Oh wow, look at this push. Okay. At least it's good for my gold short, right? All right, nothing. Nothing so far. My gold short is looking good. TP at 58.8, but is it gonna get there? I don't know. NQ pushing higher, but unfortunately no fair value gap here that I can take. Why do I feel like it wants to go for that zone? Trump speaking at 12. Okay, it's good to know. Thank you for the info, Yoshi. Careful run, but it could be good. NQ slowly progressing higher. Look at this push. Man, it wants to go for the 23k there. There's a level. Oh yeah, it wants to push it. Look at this, and I'm not in a position. I am just not in a position here. This is just gonna keep grinding until 23k. I have a feeling about that. Push for run. Let's go. Push it for run. Come on, market. Let's go, market. Push it for run. That's all I can do for the market makers. Or, I mean... Alright, what's it gonna be, NQ? Yes, I'm in a short on gold, but only on an evaluation account. So, and that's basically a scalp trade. My TP is at 58.8, so almost at TP right now. And just took TP. And I passed an account, an Apex account. Look at that. Boom. Passed it with $1 single. Oh, look at that. $1 single. But anyway. You're out. 130 is very good. 100k pro. That's okay. That's very good. And a 10k FTMO account, Ron. That is just absolutely amazing. Oh, wow. Come on, man. It's going. Oh, yeah. It should be breaking that 96. Ah. I wish. I wish I would have done something different here. I mean, the high here is, yeah, 97. Well, who knows? Might want to go for it, but anyway, nice push here from NQ. Or should I say amazing push from NQ. But whatever. Is it gonna try to push a little bit more? Who knows? D-Pain, what's happening? Victor, only one more day. Closing above 100 to make my first. Let's go, Victor. Getting closer. What's your take on Matt Covart? He seems very cocky about his approach and talks a lot about the markets being random. I think he's a cool guy. Obviously, everybody has a different approach with trading, and there's nothing wrong with that. I know he trades differently. And there's nothing wrong with saying the market is random. It's somewhat in some way there is random moves in the market. Obviously, I mean, we all know that, right? But I think Matt is a good trader and good risk manager, I should say so. The way he trades his accounts is absolutely a great thing. So obviously I'm not trading the way he does. I trade completely differently, but that's just the way it is. There's 1,000 ways to do it. Oh, D-Pain, nice. No news. Well, tomorrow is going to be the big day, right? Yeah, so far better moves than last week on Monday, that's for sure. Anyway. Gold actually made a move down nicely. I should have played that move, but too late now. NQ is, well, could be struggling here a little bit. But I guess it's just the way it is. Maybe even shifting directions here. It's getting heavier. Okay, NQ slowly getting back down, which is good. I was kind of waiting for a possible move here. I mean, a possible pullback. So it's kind of okay with me. Still going lower. I have no positions, no scalps, no count, positions, orders, I'm flat. Kind of waiting for a, I mean, for this level, this is the first pair that you get, right? So if it's just gonna hold, that would be cool, and invert this gap at 58, then maybe, just maybe, I mean, not my unicorn setup, that's for sure, but maybe we can try to go along. But now it seems like it's just going down. Is it a seek and destroy day? If it is, wow, then we should be getting at least down to 900 again. Jumped on the short after the inversion. Nice, good job. Well, yeah, nice little sweep there, inverted that gap, and now it's going down. I'm just wondering if the first gap is gonna hold. Then I might jump into a trade there. Overall, I'm green across the board. I have new accounts here. I mean, I made another $430 today on the Take Profit Trader account, so kind of withdrawing every day is the goal. And new funded account only $77. The Funded Futures network accounts are looking good, almost up 500. The Bully account, which is a new one, is up 471. The other two is only up 200. But green everywhere, so that's good. And I got a new Apex account. The Funded Futures Network promo is only active today. Just saying. So don't forget. Close 30 points. Let's go. That's a good move. All right, let's see if this one's gonna go and invert this gap higher. I would be happier if we see a close above 958. That would be even better. Okay, going lower. Hey, Vivian. Oh yeah, the weekend was great. The weekend was nice. Absolutely nice. Nice weekend. And of course, I hope you had a great weekend too. I'm sorry. I was just watching the chart. I was locked in and focused. I hope you had a great weekend too. I mean, the weather was good. You know, I slept as much as I could. So yeah. It was good. Malo, good morning. Malo, you should be, you should be relaxing and enjoying the profits. You already made your money today. Just go. you made enough profits for today. Checking in. I know, it's addicting. I know, right? And now I just couldn't really figure out what to do myself. I mean, really, there's just nothing I can go with here. Nothing at all. I really have no idea. I should have stayed all the way in a long position on the funded accounts on gold, but I mean, sorry, short position. But for now, NQ is totally unpredictable. Gold is dumping lower. I feel like it wants to go for that 50-ish area. Can I take it maybe on a I know I'm not gonna. I feel like it wants to go down into that 50.7 area where there's the liquidity void. If you look to the left. So that's at 50.8. Why not? You know, why not? But as for NQ, no idea. A little bit tempted to scalp on gold. Okay, who cares? Enter the short on 33.54.8. Targeting low of this candle 50.7. All right. So my TP is 50.8 on gold. Let's see. Let's make some money on gold. I mean, this is still a fairly new account, so I'm okay with it. This one. Why not make a little bit of an extra money? Oh. All right. Let's go. Oh, come on, man. Oh, no. What are you doing, gold? It was so close. It was so close. Anyway. Can't win them all. But it was close. The tension is higher. The desk is rising. Come on, let's go. Do it. Do it here on the stream, please. We need to see the TP of that. Hit that. Oh, come on. Hit it. All right. 475 up today. That's good. $475 on this funded account is a good profit for today. Unfortunately, I did not copy trade this one, but it was still good. As you can see, this was the purpose here, this liquidity void. But this was a scalp trade again. Overall, a good day. Overall, a good day. Malu, you wouldn't believe what car I'm eyeballing right now to buy. I don't know if you're still here, but you wouldn't believe what car am I eyeballing to buy. Actually, I'm gonna watch the car tomorrow in person as an investment. It's not a 6 Series, don't worry. I can tell you that. Of course it's a BMW. But it's an old BMW. It's an old one. But I'm buying this with a purpose, obviously. I'm buying it if I buy it. I'm not sure if I buy it. I'm not sure. I buy it with specifically, mostly with investment reasons. Because that car is just going to go to high in value. So I can show you. There you go. There you go. It's a BMW Z3, actually. A 2.8 liter inline 6-cylinder engine with from 1999. And the previous owner has actually spent a lot of money to maintain this car. It has the M seats, the M steering wheel, it has AC, it has electric roof, it has heated seats. Everything is still original. Nothing has been tuned or modified. No modified stuff. It has a board computer, which is rare. It has the AC unit, which is also very rare. It has an AC. And it's just a beautiful car. It's Monte Carlo blue. Monte Carlo blue. And it has a roll bar, which is also very good. And it has all other perks and features, by the way. And obviously the license plate, I like it. BMW M, I don't know why 180. Should have been 280. But anyway. Looks good. Looks good. The wheels are factory OEM. Everything is OEM on the car. Everything. Yeah, this color, this is called Monte Carlo blue. So it's just a beautiful car. But it's strictly because the value of the 2.8 liter engine, I mean, these cars, especially the Z3, like now it's getting to be an old-timer car. And it's just going higher and higher in value. I checked the market in whole Europe. And the small engine, the 4-cylinder, the 1.8 and 1.9, you can get it much cheaper. But the 2.8, the inline 6-cylinder, which is the famous BMW engine from the 90s, with the wider body, because this one has the factory wider rear body. Now, it just exponentially goes higher in value. So, it's not going to go lower anymore. It's not gonna go lower. It's gonna hold value. It's better investment than put my money in the bank. The miles is a lot, obviously, but you're not going to find low mileage on this car. Actually, I'm gonna tell you. It's almost 200,000 kilometers, which is 124,000 miles. But you're not going to find your 200k kilometers, but you're not going to find, and it has a service history. Everything has been documented all the way. So a lot of bills and every paperwork. But you're not going to find a Z3 2.8. Obviously you can, but not with this wide body, with the M package, with all the features. It's very hard to find anything below 200,000 kilometers. You're just not gonna find it. So if you find one, for example, I found a 150k Z3 2.8. It was almost 40% more expensive, and it did not have the same perks and this is not the one. It did not have the same perks and features like this. So this is the wide body. You guys don't see it, but if you stand next to the car, the rear of right here, this section here, the rear. This is much wider than the 1.8. The 1.8 is somewhere here. It's way narrower, but this is the wide body by factory. And, you know, the roof is in great condition, no tears and cracks. It's in good condition. The gearbox, everything is in good condition. The seats are not teared and cracked. Everything is in good condition. So, the AC works. Even the factory radio is working. Everything is working perfectly. So, yeah, it's the color is just, when I saw the color I was like, oh my god, this is something else. And it's an original color, no repaint yet done on the car. It has been checked. It's just a beautiful car. When you stand next to it, it's just unbelievably beautiful. Unbelievably. It's just one of a kind. Really. Absolutely one of a kind. So, I had a Z3 many years ago. But this one, absolutely astonishing. Look at that. We're going into the zone. Are we going into the zone? Look at what's happening. Maybe I was too late. The first fair value gap closed. This has been... Okay, if it pulls back into this fair value gap here, there might be a chance. If you guys want to go long, I'm not going to go long. But you might have a chance to take a long position from here. If you want... Not right here. If you want to risk it until the zone. I am not going to take this trade because I'm green. Your stop, if it's not financial advice, if you're entering here, oops. If you're entering here in this gap, your stop should be somewhere down there. TP is up there, 1.3 risk to reward. That's absolutely a good entry here. Just saying. But only, I mean, obviously, if I would enter on a funded account, which I'm not gonna because, as I said, I'm green, I would enter with a lower, smaller size, smaller, dollar-wise. So I wouldn't risk $200, for example. I would risk like 100 maybe on this trade. Stop loss would be down there. But I'd like to see this one pop higher into the zone. Anyway, this is what we see right now. All right. Look at that. It might go. It might just go. I still have no other entry that I like here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just as we outlined it. It's still holding, and it wants to go to the zone. It wants to go. Oh yeah, we have the signal. We have the signal. And it's just going. Nice. If you can leave a runner, if I would be leaving a runner, I would say the safest point, because there's a swing high here. Look at that. There's a swing high here. I would say my final TP would be 97. If I would be, that's the low hanging fruit at 97. But it's up to you. My final TP would be at 97. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, that's good too. That's good too. This is a beautiful trade. I mean, if I would have taken it. Let's go. All right, everybody. I don't think I'm going to take more trades. I'm going to get ready for my funded TV, and always I have to take my phone calls. So I'll be at my funded TV in about 35 minutes if you guys would like to join. And the show continues tomorrow in London session as usual. So thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome rest of the day. And if you'd like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the Tom Sabo code. Let's keep the show rolling. Let's pump it. So God bless you all. I'll be seeing you at MyFunded TV and tomorrow in London. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody. God bless.